Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings and product reviews. So if you enjoy that type of content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We would love to have you. Y'all, I am so excited. As you can see, I have another bag from Thrift-A-Bag to share with you, and I'm just loving it. It is so gorgeous. I had to go ahead and take it out of the box so I could show you, just like cut to the chase, show you. It's just stunning, and we're gonna get into it. So, here it is. It is this like beautiful, like sparkly, just freaking gorgeous book bag. So the straps are even like blingy. This just goes to show that Thrift-A-Bag is not just purses. You can receive or buy, you can purchase book bags. She will have, I've gotten a lunch bag. You can get crossbody bags, you can get large tote bags, you can get beach bags, you can get any kind of bag, handbag, purse, wallet, whatever. She's going to have it. She has her eBay store, which I will link down below. And yeah, you can get any kind of bag. And you get amazing bags, designer or name brand bags at amazing prices. Now, you're not going to have the designer Louis Vuitton and, things like that, Hermes, but you're going to have Michael Kors and Coach and Vera Bradley and Kate Spade. So you're still going to get some really, really nice bags of all kinds. And like I said, the pricing is phenomenal for what you get. I still don't know how she does it. She finds beautiful bags. This is brand new, still has the tags on it. You can see. And she, the owner of Thrift-A-Bag, keep saying she, the owner of Thrift-A-Bag, also has, any bag, like I said, book bags, handbags, anything. She's a power seller on eBay. The prices are just phenomenal, whether it be a new bag like this or a pre-owned bag. If it is a pre-owned bag, you're not going to know it. She has the way to clean these bags so that they look immaculate, brand new, beautiful. You would never have known that they were pre-owned. But then, like I said, again, she does also have a lot of brand new, still new with the tag on it, bags as well. So if you are looking for some sort of bag, purse, wallet, whatever the case may be, definitely check her out because you're going to get high quality, name brand, beautiful, beautiful products at amazing prices. This is something that I stand behind, and I am willing to put my name out there and say, I trust Thrift-A-Bag. I love Thrift-A-Bag. You will not be disappointed. This is something that I can't stress enough, that the quality and you're not going to regret purchasing from Thrift-A-Bag. Let me put it that way. I have worked with the owner of Thrift-A-Bag for well over a year, pushing 2 years. And I have never had a bag come in that I didn't think was amazing, that was beautiful, whether it be new or pre-owned. So you're not going to be disappointed. I can't stress that enough. I wouldn't keep working with her if I didn't feel that way. I'm so thankful that she still wants to work with me and let me share these beautiful bags with you guys, so you can see what she has to offer. So, like I said, I will put a link down below in the description box so you can check out Thrift-A-Bag. And if I have a promo code to save you a little bit of money on your first purchase, I'll put that down there as well. So definitely keep an eye out for that in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. What do you think of this book bag? I think it is so beautiful. Too bad the kids aren't really in school. But it's just the sparkle. This will be great as a carry-on. Well, we're not really traveling, so there is that. It would just be a great bag to have for hopefully when things return to normal. But yeah, so definitely check it out. Like I said, everything's going to be in the description box. If you have any questions about Thrift-A-Bag, please feel free to ask me. I am more than happy to answer. And if I don't know the answer, I can definitely get it from her. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.